Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a Thailand study visa step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Thai e-visa official website, and here we are gonna go through certain steps. First of all, we need to see uh, that which visa we should apply for. Okay, so you have like three wizards here. So we'll go for the passport. Let's say you are a holder of an ordinary passport and purpose of visit. So let's find out study. Let's say you want to study at a Thai university. Okay, click on check. So you need to apply for non-immigrant visa ED. If you click on view detail, it is gonna tell you that what are the documents you are gonna require. Your passport or travel document should not have validity less than 6 months. Photograph within past 6 months. Letter confirming enrollment details from the school signed by the authorized person together with a copy of ID card or passport of the signer. Of course, they need to verify. School's registration certificate, approval letter from concerned authority under the Ministry of Education. Okay, to study at a higher education level, university registration academic certificate. Okay, so that was for school. Now it's for university and college. So based on which criteria you fall in, you can find out what documents you need. Basically for university you need these things: but passport, authorization letter, genuineness certificate or registration certificate, academic certificate for previous study, these things are important. Okay, so validity of visa, single entry visa is valid for 3 months. So that's why they said earlier you got to travel within 3 months. The holders of this visa are initially granted a period of stay in kingdom not exceeding 90 days unless otherwise instructed by the office of immigration bureau. But is that study gonna be completed in 3 months? I don't think so. Then those qualified person can obtain an additional 1 year stay permit continuing from the date of entry in the kingdom pertaining to the office of extension of. Okay, have to file their application. Okay, so I mean you can apply for stay extension of stay. All right. So now how we are going to apply it? We are going to create an account and sign in, but I have already created, so we are going to sign it. So let me sign it guys. So guys, after you log in, this is the screen you're going to see. So you're going to apply for a new visa, then click on it. Eligibility: travel document is holder of, let's say you are going from India and you are an Indian citizen. So sample guys, you got to do it based on your case. Permanent residency, current location, say I select India. Oh, so for India it is saying that okay, but if I select submit to Vancouver, passport type, if I select ordinary passport, purpose of visit, they have given only one option, single. On next. Okay, so here it has asked to upload biodata, page of passport, and basically this is in four tabs. Then travel information, supporting document. Let me see if I can bypass these. But before that they have asked the personal information, title, gender, first name, contact number, email, nationality, any other nationality, country of birth, travel document, passport information, address, employment details, program. Yeah, because we selected study, so it is asking for the details. In debt. Then what is the next section? Oh, then next, if it will go to a travel information when you want to travel, and then supporting documents. So supporting documents we have already seen, and there you are gonna submit, and then it will take you to the final step where it will tell you like what next you need to do, whether you need to go to the embassy or this e-visa will be sufficient. It will share all the information with you, and then you can take it up accordingly. So I hope you got the idea, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.